Hi, Daniel here from Ablestar. Thanks for tuning in to our July product updates. Two things we'll highlight in this video. First is that we've made some more integrations with the Shopify admin to make it easy to view and update fixed market prices directly from the product detail pages. And we've also made it easier to edit this SEO hidden metafield, which you can use to control whether certain product pages appear in search engines like Google. Beyond the scenes, we've also made some significant performance improvements. We had a few situations where users who were running edits with almost 2 million products were slowing down edits run by other stores, and those have been fixed now. So no matter how many products you're editing at the time, you shouldn't notice any degradation from that. Finally, next month we'll be taking a break from these update videos for August, but we'll be back in September as usual. Let's get started. We've been making a number of updates to our app for Shopify Markets, and one thing that we've realized is it's difficult to quickly see the prices in different markets from within the Shopify admin. The way we've addressed this issue is we add this custom admin block, which you can enable on your store. Once it's enabled here, you can quickly select different markets and see if the price is automatically set, or set a price and compare at price yourself. Once those are set, there's also an option to view the product directly in the markets page itself, so we can see, for example, now it's been set to 50. Another thing is, for some reason, the Shopify admin will not show you the compare at price here, even if we expand it. But now we can, go back here and edit the compare at price. And of course, if we need to, we can always reset the price, and we'll see that that's reflected here, where the price gets set back to the pre-calculated value. Some situations you might want to hide certain products from search engines. To do this, Shopify has this metafield called seo.hidden that you can set. We've updated the app to make it a lot easier to filter and set this. So now when you go to the app, we have this SEO Visibility option, and we can search for products that are hidden here and add other filters if we need to, and then just go here and edit the SEO Visibility field. We can toggle these to visible if we need to, and run the edit. And this will allow you to quickly see which products have this flag set to hide them from the search engines, and edit those if you need to. Like all other edits, you can undo the edit if you need to, or rerun it if you want to set the values back. Well, that's it for this month. If you're in the Northern Hemisphere, I hope you're having a good summer. As I mentioned at the start of this video, we won't be doing this update video next month, but we'll be back in September as usual with lots more features to share with you. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out to us. And until next time, bye.